Hi, my name is Scott Gibson with Beneath the Surface. I'm here with Brent Cook of Exploration Insights. Brent, thanks for being with us.
Glad to be here at the start of the year.
Yeah, we're here at the Vancouver Cambridge conference, beginning of January. And I wanted to get your take on where we are in the market today.
Oh, that's a simple answer, right?
Should be.
Well, let's look at where we've come. We had metal prices, gold prices do really well, and we had mining companies not make hardly any money. Costs went up basically in parallel with the prices of the metals. And so all the investors, or most of the investors that actually come in for the right reason, have been burned. The mining companies have seriously disappointed, and now, and as has exploration, but we expect that in exploration. So all this money that's come in has been disappointed, and we're looking at the results of that, which is the GDXJ is off 75% over the past 2 years.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at right now. And the mining companies, what they've really got to do is prove to the market that they can make money, which is going to be really tough because they can't. So what they're doing is they're cutting exploration, cutting development, they're high grading their deposits, which effectively sterilizes their deposits, most of them, not all. So that's kind of what we're sliding into right now. I expect this year is going to be tough, hopefully not as tough as last year, but this is the year, I think, to be accumulating the very few legitimate economic deposits and legitimate, competent exploration groups that know what they're doing and have the money to do so, in anticipation of the rest of the world waking up next year to the fact that we don't have enough deposits to supply demand. That's basically where I'm at.
And what's your take on the gold price for this year?
I don't try and predict that. I can flip a coin. What I really think is more important for what I do in my newsletter is identify the prospects, the projects that offer the lowest quartile in costs. That's really what I focus on. In terms of the gold price, I don't see a catalyst. I don't know what that, I don't see a catalyst out there. I mean, the US is doing reasonably well. Europe's getting a little bit better. China hasn't collapsed. I don't see a catalyst to shoot gold prices up. And even if we have a disaster, the gold price goes up. Who in their right mind would buy a gold company?
It's going to take some time. And that's sort of what you're saying.
That's the attitude.
This year at least, and now's the time to start positioning yourself in those top 1% of the companies.
I think so.
Yeah. And that we'll see what gold does this year. Next year looks a lot better. That's I'm paraphrasing, but your topic for your talk here at the conference is something about things are looking really good for 2015.
Yeah, I think I put the topic down as Brent's feeling good about 2015.
Yeah, that's exactly it. So for this year, you're thinking it could be or should be somewhat better than last year. Hard to be much worse.
I don't know if I could describe it. I mean, in 2012 we got run over.
Yes.
2013 he backed up and ran us over again. This year we're just being dragged across the gravel to the hospital. So it's going to be a bit better, but it ain't going to feel good.
Yeah.
But we're just guessing, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Exactly. Well, thanks very much for being with us. Appreciate your take. Again, that's Brent Cook, Exploration Insights. My name is Scott Gibson with Beneath the Surface. Thanks for being with us.